Isa lang ang tanong, totoo ba na ang bawang o garlic ay nakapababa ng blood pressure? Sounds intriguing, di ba? But here's the twist. Ligtas bang itapon ang iyong anti-hypertensive meds at umasa lang sa garlic? The answer is no. Hypertension comes in different levels. Normal BP is below 120/80, and borderline BP is 120 to 139/80 to 89. And hypertension, according to the Philippine guidelines, is 140 and above over 90 and above. For those in the borderline range, combining garlic supplements with diet tweaks and exercise can be beneficial. Pero for those with a BP of 140/90 and above, anti-hypertensive medications are needed. Kasama na doon ang dietary adjustments and exercise. Relying only on garlic supplements is very dangerous dahil untreated hypertension can lead to very serious health issues like heart attack, stroke, and kidney problems. Ang kompletong treatment ng hypertension ay medications, proper diet, and regular physical activity. Sa terms ng diet, those with hypertension should limit your salt intake to 1/4 teaspoon per day. And even those without hypertension, it would be good to limit your salt intake to 1/2 teaspoon per day. Next is exercise. Ayon sa Philippine Heart Association, we should do 30 minutes or more of moderate intensity exercise per day, 5 times per week. This routine can help reduce blood pressure and not garlic.